Namaskar, dear learners. I am Dr. Amarendra Behra. I am working as professor in Central Institute of Educational Technology, NCERT, New Delhi. Today, we are going to start this course on educational administration, management, and leadership in school education. Dear learners, educational administration is a process that includes the combined operation through which education system of a country is maintained in good working condition. It is a process of utilizing appropriate material in such a way to promote effectively the development of human qualities. It includes all those techniques and procedures employed in operating the educational organization in accordance with established policies, programs and schemes. The totality of resources are made available and made effective for accomplishing the purpose of an enterprise or any organization. Educational administration includes functions like planning, organizing, financing, directing, supervising, inspecting and evaluation. It is also concerned with elements like setting up of goals of education, review, feedback and innovations in education system. Management is definitely a business term, and management in business and organization is the function that coordinates the efforts of people to accomplish goals and objectively by using available resources efficiently and effectively. Management includes planning, organizing, staffing, leading or directing and controlling in an organization or any organization to accomplish these goals or targets. Resources encompasses the deployment and manipulation of human resources, financial resources, technological resources and natural resources. Leadership is both a research area and a practical skill, encompassing the ability of an individual or organization to lead or guide other individuals, teams or entire organization. My dear learners, a very warm welcome to all of you. Welcome to this 15-week course which will deal with various aspects of educational administration, management and leadership in school education. Every week the course will deliver some modules to study. There will be a provision of subjective assignments as well as objective questions will be placed to check your progress. The specific objectives of this course includes apprising the students with some objectives. I will be telling those. The meaning, concept and the common features of educational administration, management and governance including leadership will be one. The history of educational administration, educational management and leadership, then the functions and approaches of educational administration, educational management and leadership, even the institutions related to educational administration, management and governance will be included. Academic support structures like National University of Educational Planning and Administration, popularly known as NUPA, even the National Council of Educational Research and Training, popularly known as NCERT, even the SCRTs, that is State Council of Educational Research and Training located in different states, and CMAT, popularly known as State Institute of Educational Management and Training, and the District Institute of Education and Training will be included. A role of research and evaluation in educational administration, management and governance will also be part of this course. Issues and trends in educational administration, management and governance will also be included in this course. It is a 15-week course and 4 credit as well. Me and my colleague Dr. Aram Khan, assistant professor in Central Institute of Educational Technology NCERT will be interacting with you during this course. Each week of this course we will be having few modules for study. Each module will be having 5 sections or quadrants, which are e-text. This will provide a standard text material to supplement your studies. And then we will have e-tutorials, which will comprise of video to facilitate better understanding of the text. Learn more quadrant will help you further, which will have useful web links, references, bibliography, suggested further readings as well to provide further help to all of you. Self-assessment questions will enable you monitor your progress, and a transcription of the video which will be in sync with it for ruling out any confusion of following the presenter's audio will be helpful for you. Hope you will enjoy the learning process through this course. Wish you all the best. Namaskar.